Welcome to our game, Little Alchemist. We are Team Paracosm and we're excited to take you through our development journey. From initial concepts to final product, we'll walk you through how our ideas evolved and how we tackled obstacles along the way.
Hi, my name is Tamana Kessa Dempsey, the project manager and level designer for The Little Alchemist. My role was to oversee the project's direction while ensuring the game world was engaging, intuitive, and stayed true to our original core design pillars. Our mechanics directly influenced level design as the world had to encourage interaction with these systems. Since exploration was a central theme, we designed every element to support discovery and ensure the fantasy adventure felt immersive. The game evolved significantly from its early concepts. Initially, we planned 5 levels, then reduced it to 4, each highlighting a different mechanic. However, as development progressed, we condensed everything into a single vertical slice, merging the best elements of each level into one cohesive experience. This shift required us to be strategic in balancing difficulty and pacing, especially since the final level had to be completed within 10 minutes. To guide players, we implemented leading lines, breadcrumbs, and tutorial pop ups that subtly directed them without breaking immersion. We also relied on heuristics and metrics to fine tune traversal mechanics and scale assets properly. Adding sound effects and refining spellcasting mechanics further improved player engagement, reinforcing the interactive and exploratory nature of the game. Despite challenges, level design remained at the heart of Little Alchemist, shaping the player's experience from start to finish. Now let's move on to the next section with our user interface designer.
Hi, my name is Shane Van Dusseldorp, and I was responsible for the user interface design in The Little Alchemist. My focus was on creating an intuitive, visually appealing UI that complemented the game's mechanics while enhancing player experience. One of the most significant redesigns we implemented was shifting our UI from parchment paper to a book, making it more immersive and thematically consistent with the game's world. One of our biggest challenges was time constraints. While we would have loved to refine every aspect, we had to make decisions that prioritize usability within our deadline. Throughout development, we worked on making the UI clear and accessible, ensuring that menus, crafting screens, and in-game interactions were easy to navigate. Although time limited some of our aspirations, we believe the interface effectively supports the game's design, guiding players throughout their journey without overwhelming them. And now, let's hear about how player feedback influenced our design.
Hi, my name is Maurice Pollock, and I worked on implementing player feedback into the Little Alchemist. Playtesting was a crucial part of our development process as it revealed areas for improvement that we might not have noticed otherwise. Based on player feedback, we made several adjustments to mechanics, including refining interaction physics and implementing clearer audio cues. One of the most requested features was a restart level and quit to desktop button, which we made to improve player convenience. Our team used Discord for communication, Confluence for documentation, Jira for task tracking, and Preforce for version control, ensuring efficient collaboration throughout the project. Incorporating player feedback helped us refine the mechanics and improve the overall player experience, making The Little Alchemist a more polished and enjoyable game. Now, let's take a look at the technical side of development.
Hi, I'm Ryan Boyd and I handle the technical aspects of Little Alchemist. That's including mechanics, system design, and feature implementation. Early on, we removed our turn based combat system along with all our enemies, which fundamentally altered the game's structure. This decision forced us to rethink how we create tension in the game, leading to the introduction of environmental challenges such as berry bushes, which can destroy inventory items such as reagents and ingredients. While feature creep can be an issue in game development, we managed our scope well, cutting unnecessary mechanics early on to ensure we could refine the core gameplay. That meant removing features such as enemy tracking, nightlight and stealth mechanics, and swimming, all of which helped us streamline the experience for our player. Throughout these technical and design choices, we refined Little Alchemist into a focused and engaging game. Now let's wrap things up.
Thank you for watching our development journey of The Little Alchemist. We hope you enjoyed this insight into our process, and we look forward to continuing this adventure beyond graduation.